Reception, Block D. Ala, pupunta po tayo ng doon. Ano ba yan? Wala man lang kasi. So, this is us at 3 a.m. in Hong Kong. Hey guys! So we've arrived here at Hong Kong International Airport. I'm with my friends and we're just gonna ride a bus to our accommodation. Bumili sila ng octopus card. How much is that?
It is so happy to be here. Baka rin lang
Since our accommodation is around Shim Sha Tsui and Chongqing Mansion, so later you're gonna find out why kami nag-Chongqing Mansion. But anyway, our drop-off would be Hai Phong Road since yun yung pinakamalapit na bus stop. This ride will last about 1 hour and 22 minutes. By the way guys, I use my GoTime Visa. You can use Maya Visa as well. Any card that is Visa, you can tap here sa bus. Or pag wala, kailangan yung bumili ng octopus card. Pero pwede atang cash. We're here guys. Lumampas kami ng isang bus station pero malapit lang naman. I just wanna share na 35 bus stops yung dinaanan namin. Pero kung mag-MTR ka, mabilis lang yun. Kaso kasi it's 1 a.m. na nung umalis kami ng airport. So sarado na yung mga MTR tsaka Airport Express. So check na natin yung accommodation namin dito sa may Chongqing Mansion. Oh my God! Let's go guys. May camera. Here at Chongqing Mansions, merong mga blocks and I believe hanggang block E siya. Yung guest house namin for tonight is block B. May designated elevator for each block. Oo, kasha. Ganyan ang eksena namin dito sa may elevator. This is not giving, guys! Ganito kasikip guys sa elevator. Hanggang 5 lang. And regarding naman sa amoy, may elevator, hindi naman siya yung mabaho na yucky. Baka sa ibang elevator or sa ibang mga pwesto. May sigarilyo. Okay, so dito nagsisimula yung hindi magandang amoy. So paano to? Paano yun? Reception, Block D. Ala, pupunta po tayo ng doon. Ang sabi ang reception is 12th floor, Block D. Ganito yung mga setup sa Chongqing Mansion. Ibang floor yung reception ng isang guest house. Ano ba yan? Wala man lang kasi. Kaya nga, shallow. Nasa shallow nila tayo, no? So guys, time check. It's 3 a.m. And we decided na hindi na lang mag-check-in dun sa first accommodation namin. Kasi we're about to leave rin naman ng around 6 a.m. So parang hindi lang kami mag-check-in. And parang hindi rin giving talaga yung pag-stayin namin. Good thing is, pay at the property yung accommodation. So ayun, naghahanap kami ng makakainan. We just need some place to stay for like 2 hours. So, guess what guys? We're here at McDonald's. Dito muna kami kakain. Okay na guys. So, our first meal is McDonald's. Can you believe it? Our first meal in Hong Kong. Angus beef burger. Dito lang ba sa Hong Kong meron ito? Anong kinaiba niya sa burger natin? It has onions and cheese. Sa Philippines kasi dry yung patty na. Ay, may pickles din pala. Sarap. Walang-wala sa burger ng McDo Philippines. So this is how we spend our first night here in Hong Kong. Actually, it's 5 a.m. already. So we're just waiting for the MTR na mag-open since 6 a.m. pa yon. And ayun, didiretso kami ng Macau. Ang ferry departure namin is 7:30. But anyway, being in the streets in Hong Kong, parang homeless kami ngayon, no? It's not bad actually. Sa ilang hours kong palakad-lakad dito sa Hong Kong, hindi naman siya yung nakatakot na baka may magnanakaw or baka may masamang or something. Hindi naman. Tapos, very walkable naman yung city. I know, mas okay kapag may tinutuloyan kami ngayon. I mean, it's exciting. Ewan ko, wala lang. Na-excite ako na I'm a bit chill na parang nandito kami sa streets, naglalakad-lakad. Ayun, by the way, walang comfort room sa McDo. So, naghanap kami sa labas. Buti, may mga public toilets or may mga public comfort rooms here sa Hong Kong. So, we found one near the Avenue of Stars. Ayun, pupunta na kami ng Macau later and I will update you.